Okay guys, so we're gonna work our way from upstairs to downstairs by testing the smoke detector. So, here it is. I'm using a coat hanger for this. Okay, the next one is in my room. That one will be in a little bit. The cat's in here. That's okay. Leave them alone. I can't reach it anymore. And this is the carbon monoxide alarm. And I'm gonna do it again for you guys. And that's it. Then this one. The horns are very ridiculous on these. So, fuck this one. She has a bunch of birds in here and hamsters. We'll do this one again just for the hell of it. Then it stops there. Okay. Next one is this one here. Okay. And I suggest you don't bother putting a fucking smoke detector in here. There's one right there. I took it out because it would go off every time you either cooked in the oven or that on the stove. So, next one is down here. Really? As soon as I... And then basement. Now, I'm not scared of this one going off because, I'm used to it. I am a firefighter, so, here's the battery right there. You wanna take it out of the ceiling, unplug it, and you can. I think I lost half of my hearing. But yeah, guys, this video will be uploaded. Then I'm actually gonna play some whatever the fuck you want to call it. Sadly that white charger fucking blew up on me last night. Where's my charger? Here it is. But yeah, I had some trips ahoy. Yeah. I don't know why I'm talking so loud. I gotta turn this light on here. And then we'll do the smoke detector one more time just for the hell of it. Okay, here we go. Okay guys, yeah, this will be uploaded now, so peace out! Peace! Oh, every time I plug this in, watch what happens. Ow! This is waterproof, by the way, you guys. Watch. See? We don't even know what the hell is wrong with it. I think I stepped on glass. I feel blood. Blood. Okay, some Far Cry 4. Peace.